going deep to rise above. Camar Mill Systems with Witzel Dyce led the project to replace 3 ship loaders with one super efficient advanced loading system at the Parrish and Heimbecker facility in the Goderich Harbor. The site had challenges above and below ground. Chung and Vander Doelen identified a high water table, rubble, and old structures in the soil. Based on this and the loadings, a micropile foundation was determined as the best option. The EBS team was brought in to load test and then install 22 micropiles to support the tower loading requirements of 1,120 kilonewtons in compression and 955 kilonewtons in tension per pile. This active elevator has high traffic from both trucks and ships. The site for the new foundation was in between both. The challenge was not to interfere with either. With schedule interruptions to accommodate ship loading, drilling through rubble and obstructions, and working in a small footprint, the EBS team finished installing the 22 micropiles in just under 4 weeks. Client, Parrish and Heimbecker. General contractor, Camar Mill Systems. Structural, Witzel Dyce. Geotechnical, Chung and Vander Doelen. Loadings, 22 micropiles, 1,120 kilonewtons in compression, 955 kilonewtons tension per pile. Timeline, 28 days. Design, build,